What do you think he's doing?
He's looking for food.
Oh. What do you think he likes to eat?
My food.
Do you think he eats plants, like grass, or does he eat ants?
He doesn't eat ants. That's one on the plant.
Watch, Maggie. Looks like he's going to go in the tree.
He's not yet.
No?
He's looking for food. Can I see? Oh my, he's so tiny. So tiny than me.
Yeah, he is tinier than you.
Oh my, he's so cute. He's not gonna go in my hand.
No, we probably won't hold him because we don't know. We don't know him very well.
I'm not gonna talk to you. Hi, my name is Maggie. Would you like to be friends? He's not gonna go this higher. He's not gonna go higher. He's not gonna go higher.
You don't think so?